Hi there guys, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this daily digital club. Maybe you're looking for a daily digital club review, or maybe you're just doing some research into it to see if it's for you or not. So we're going to get into that in a second, but just before we do, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please take a second just to hit the subscribe button below and tick on the bell icon so that anytime I put out a new video, you won't miss out. And I'm constantly putting these videos out. Anything that I learn, any tips, any tricks, anything I think will help you to earn more, then I'm putting it out there. So to make sure you don't miss out, just hit the subscribe button. Another thing, you don't have to wait to the end of the video. If at any point you want to get access to my video affiliate marketing course, then all you need to do is just hit, there'll be a link below this video. You can just hit on that and you get completely free access to that. All right, then, so let's get started on this daily digital club. So first things first, full disclosure, I'm not a member of this. You know, I've just been told about this, which is why I'm doing a full review on it, just to help you, do you know what I mean? So that you can make your own informed decision as to whether or not, you know, you want to get involved or not. So, you know, you can decide at the end. So in essence, what is it? Daily Digital Club, in essence, it's a business opportunity kind of wrapped up in like an MLM as well. Yeah. So you make money from this by recruiting other people in, you know, and also, you know, there are some products that goes with it as well, which is, we'll get into that in a little bit as well. So this is the site. What it says it teaches is, it does e-learning and it teaches how to make money online, you know, but really what people are getting in this for is to make money by recruiting other people, by getting other affiliates in, because that's what most people talk about if you hear any of the reviews. But if you have a look at it, this is the site. Okay, it's not a bad site. It's a little bit basic actually, but this would be the site you'd be using to sell people on. You know, this is where the funnel starts, sort of thing. So you come into this thing. What I think this is missing is that it doesn't give you a chance to have people opt in, you know, so that you can keeping in contact with them, you know. So that's, you know, if you're going to sell a business opportunity, you want to be able to take people's emails address so you can keep talking to them, because people don't buy on the first time, very rarely, you know. So this is missing with that so far. I don't know if maybe later on they might introduce that, but at the moment it's missing. The actual products itself is e-learning, digital learning, and these are some of the topics for these e-learning videos that you're going to get: list building, Facebook marketing, Facebook remarketing, bonus creation basics, email marketing, Twitter basics, video marketing basics, affiliate marketing basics. I haven't heard too much about the products, so I don't know what quality the products are, because when people start to talk to you about these things, all they talk to you about is the money. So how do you make money from this? There's two levels you can come in at. You can come in at the $25 level, or you can come in at $100 level. Yes. So which level you're at is how much you can make from your affiliates. Yes. So you have to pay $25 a month. Say you pay $25 a month and you recruit somebody else in who now pays $25 a month. Now there's a 2-up gifting scheme. Yeah. A lot of these new kind of MLM type business opportunity things are doing this, where you have to pass up some of your commissions. Yeah. I've never liked that anyway. You go out, you do all this hard work and then you're passing it up. But the draw is that you're passing some up, but the person below you is passing his one up to you as well. So how this works, say I bring in 4 people. The first person's commission goes to me. So that's $25 every month. That's mine. The second person's commission goes to my sponsor. So I don't get that $25. The third person's commission comes to me. I get that $25. And the fourth person's commission goes to my sponsor. So my sponsor, out of the first 4, my sponsor gets 2 of those. Yes. And then from the 5th person onwards, I get that. And that also works with whoever I sponsor in. I get their 2nd and their 4th commission. So yeah, if you are good at sponsoring people and getting them to keep duplicating and getting them to stay in, then perfect. But where this fails most of the time is most people can't recruit. They don't know how to recruit very well. So yeah, they might get the odd 1 or 2 people, but you want to get, for you to make money, that people below you, you have to get loads of people below you. So you get 100 people below you, and you have to encourage them to stay, because you only get paid if they stay. You know, I get that $25 a month for as many months as they stay in. And, you know, to be fair, the owner of this, his name is Peter Wolfin. You know, he's been in a few of these. These are like, it's like a cash gifting scheme, this is. And a few of them that he was in before were a bit dodgy and they didn't work out. So he's almost put it to, you know, he kind of does them and then he moves on to another one and then he does them till all the money runs out. Then he moves on to another one, because the person that really makes the most money is, if you think of a pyramid shape, the person that makes the most money out of this is the person right at the top, you know, and because we're passing things up. So, you know, I'm not calling it a scam, you know, because I don't know enough about this to call it a scam. I'm just saying it has a cash gifting structure. So you just have to be careful, because usually what happens is the people like that are really good at recruiting, they make the money. The people at the bottom who haven't got a clue about recruiting usually don't make anything from this. So that's the commission structure. Either you're doing that at $25 or you're doing it at $100. The way you take payment is they have their own portal. And if you use their payment services, then from that $25, they're going to take $5 of that every month. Or you can say you will take your own payments, but then you've got to take the kind of cash payments yourself, and you've got to remember to keep doing that. And you can use something like Cash App, or you can use Authorize, or you can use Stripe, you know, those type of services. But you would then say you do that yourself, and you have to remind the people that, yeah, you got to pay me now. It's the end of the month. So that's it. That's the review on it. For me, I don't know. For me personally, you know, I could get involved in this if I wanted to. Do you know what I mean? But I haven't seen the products. I'm not sure what sort of value they're giving. But, you know, that's it. I mean, if you think you can recruit people and you're quite confident to recruit people, then why not? You'll make a bit of money from this, but most can't. This is why most people fail with these things. Most can't. You can try and inspire people and say, yeah, look, this is, but if you don't know how to attract people and sell them on the benefits of this, then maybe it's not going to be the best thing ever. Do you know? So, anyway, listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from that. Why I am actually qualified to tell you about these things, I think, is because I've been marketing things like this for over 10 years. I've been marketing for 10 years. 10 years ago, I got into internet marketing, affiliate marketing especially. And for the first 3 years of that journey, I think I was doing really, really well. I was actually making $1,000, $5,000, $4,000 commissions. But with this industry, this is the one industry, you hear all these income claims of people making income, this tons and tons of money. And I thought, well, why aren't I making that amount of money? Why aren't I making $10,000 in a day? And then I went on this crazy, like, you know, I call it a shiny object journey, where I thought, well, I'll try this. I'll try network marketing. I'll try affiliate marketing. I'll try, Shopify. I just tried it all, you know, and all the traffic strategies as well. And I thought, and I couldn't make it work. So I gave up. You know, I gave up for about 5 years. And in that time, I think that was the best time for me, because I just managed to slow things down. I also got unwell. I have something called sickle cell. And I realized that, you know, I probably couldn't work a conventional job, which is why I then thought, right, you have to learn this thing properly. And I was lucky enough to get 2 really good mentors that taught me the basics of marketing. They taught me the things you need to market this or anything. You know, there's basics to the marketing. And really, you know, it includes things like traffic, things like lead generation, converting leads to sales and all that sort of stuff. And they, you know, they taught me the proper way to do it. So what I've done, I've put together a free marketing course, a 4-part marketing course that shows you that. It shows you the basics of marketing, you know, and if you're interested in that, if you want to get hold of that, then like I said, I'll leave a link below this video. You just click on that, you get completely free access to that 4-part marketing course. But anyway, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from this as well. If you have any comments at all, also leave that in the comments box below. Alright guys, so till next time then, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.